A warm welcome to all of you for our Nari Shakti show. On most of the days, the world simply runs. Meetings happen, children go to school, flights take off, hospitals function. But homes stay warm and welcoming. Everything looks effortless. But effortless is an illusion. Behind the rhythm of everyday life, there is invisible strength, invisible labor, invisible sacrifice. And more often than not, it's a woman. Today, this evening, the ladies of the High Commission of India in Malaysia, balancing homes and diplomacy, motherhood and meetings, tradition and transformation, present before you these many roles of life on this stage. Today, this is not about fashion. This is not about fabric. It's about identity, resilience, and the countless roles that women carry with grace, courage, and often without an applause. Let's begin. She is a constant, planner of meals, keeper of schedules, finder of lost socks and missing notebooks. She may not clock in or out, yet her work never ends. Presenting Saloni as a homemaker. Your streets healthy and surroundings clean. She is doing what many of us even forget to notice. Presenting Vidya as a community worker. She tells a story. Confidence becomes her style. Grace becomes her signature. Presenting Shruti as a model. She encourages with patience. She explains with belief. She shapes your minds and builds your futures. Presenting Remya as a teacher. Listens and argues. She seeks for fairness and truth. Her voice becomes a tool for justice. Presenting Bhagyashree as a lawyer. She looks into system, precision and possibility. Presenting Pratishta as an engineer. Music into meaning. Presenting Sajita as a dancer. Compassionate in care, she restores hope, help and reassurance. Presenting Rita as doctor. Grace above the clouds, calm even in turbulence. She ensures your comfort and safety throughout your journey. Presenting Sandhya as the air hostess. Determination and spirit, she pushes her limits. Presenting Priyanka as a sports person. Vision in her mind, determination in her work. She tells you, do not ask what nation can do for you, but ask what you can do for the nation. Presenting Pavani as a politician. Authority in her presence. In uniform, long dominated by men, she stands firm, leading, guiding and serving the nation. Presenting Dr. Binada as a police officer. That women carry forward. And finally, we present before you a profession that carries the dignity of a nation beyond its borders. She walks where dialogue becomes understanding and understanding becomes harmony. She is a diplomat. A diplomat is one who has to build a bridge when everyone wants to burn it down. She is a blend of discretion and patience. She is neither too timid nor too excitable. She is calm under pressure with a deep understanding of cultures. And finally, we present before you Lalita ma'am as the diplomat. Every role matters. Every contribution shapes the society. Every woman, in her own way, moves the world forward. May I request His Excellency Sri B.N. Reddy, High Commissioner of India to Malaysia, to please come over and join us for a picture, sir.